Kids Play Clubhouse! Hello, Kids Play Clubhouse friends. I need your help. Our fish is very sad because she does not have any friends. Can you help me find a friend for our fish? Thanks! Let's get aboard the boat. Thanks for coming with us. All right, let's go fishing. It's a jellyfish. That's going to be too wiggly for our fish tank. This fish is so small. It is too tiny for our fish tank. What is this? Wait a minute. This isn't a fish, it's an old boot. Ew! Ah! It's a shark! This shark is too scary for our fish friend. A huge submarine? This isn't a fish. Let's put this back. Oh my! It's a big, big whale! This friend is too big for our fish tank. Let's put it back. Hey! Look at this fish. It looks perfect for our fish tank. Not too big and not too small. Okay, let's get our fish friend home. We are home and it looks like our fish friends are very happy together. Thanks for your help, Kids Play friends. Don't forget to click the button to subscribe. See you soon. Kids Play Clubhouse.